Hey there, fellow freelancers! Welcome back to my channel. It's Kaitlyn here, your go-to source for all things freelancing. Today, I've got some quick but informative insights for both existing and newbie freelancers. But before you settle in, don't forget to hit the bell button so you never miss out on any of my updated insights about freelancing. And a big shout out to all the amazing people who support this vlog. Alan Nova, Poving Pavi, and Freelancer. Your support means the world. Now, wait until the end of the video for the trivia game. First person to comment the correct answer will win a 50 pesos GCash. Today, I'll be diving into essential skills and strategies for mastering the virtual assistant role, whether you're already in the game or just starting out. This video will give you the insights you need to succeed. Essential skills for virtual assistants. Communication skills. Effective communication is vital for understanding client needs, conveying information clearly, and maintaining professional relationships. Listen actively, ask clarifying questions, and provide updates regularly to clients. Use language that is concise, courteous, and tailored to your audience's preference. Clear communication reduces misunderstandings, enhances productivity, and fosters trust with clients. Time management techniques. Virtual assistants often juggle multiple tasks and deadlines. Effective time management ensures tasks are completed on time and helps maintain a healthy work-life balance. Prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and use tools like calendars and to-do lists to stay organized. Establish boundaries around availability and response times. Proper time management leads to client satisfaction, repeat business, and reduces the risk of burnout. Technical proficiency. Proficiency in essential tools and software is crucial for productivity and efficiency in the digital workspace. Familiarize yourself with communication platforms, project management tools, and productivity apps commonly used in virtual assistants. Stay updated with new technologies and trends. Technical proficiency streamlines workflows, reduces learning curves, and enhances problem-solving abilities. Problem-solving abilities. Virtual assistants encounter various challenges that require creative problem-solving skills. Approach challenges with a positive mindset, seek feedback from peers or mentors, and research solutions proactively. Be adaptable and willing to learn from setbacks. Problem-solving abilities allow virtual assistants to overcome obstacles, meet client needs efficiently, and add value to their services. Additional tips for new freelancers. Create a portfolio. Showcase your skills, expertise, and past projects in a professional portfolio to attract potential clients. Set clear boundaries. Define your working hours, preferred communication channels, and project scope upfront with clients to manage expectations effectively. Network effectively. Build genuine relationships with peers and potential clients through online communities, industry events, and social media platforms. Invest in professional development. Continuously upgrade your skills and knowledge through online courses, workshops, and certifications to stay competitive in the market. Manage finances wisely. Keep track of your income and expenses. Set aside funds for taxes and savings. And seek advice from financial professionals if needed. Stay organized. Use tools and systems to manage tasks, deadlines, and client communication efficiently to maximize productivity and minimize stress. Communicate effectively. Maintain clear and professional communication with clients, colleagues, and collaborators to build trust and ensure project success. Handle rejection positively. Reframe rejection as a learning opportunity, seek feedback for improvement, and maintain confidence in your abilities. Practice self-care. Prioritize your physical, mental, and emotional well-being to sustain long-term success and satisfaction in your freelancing career. Plan for the future. Set SMART goals, create business plan, and regularly review and adjust your strategies to adapt to changing circumstances and opportunities. So there you have it, valuable insights into essential skills and strategies for mastering the virtual assistant role. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your freelancing game, incorporating these tips into your workflow will set you up for success. If you found this video helpful, do not hesitate to share it with your friends. Remember, sharing is caring. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more valuable freelancing tips and tricks. And now for today's trivia question. If the Tagalog word for ring finger is palasing-singan, what is the Tagalog word for middle finger? The lucky winner will be announced on my next vlog. So stay tuned. Happy freelancing!